Good morning everyone. Once again welcome back to my class. I hope so all of you have been understood my previous class. In our previous session we have been come across the first chapter, nature and significance of management. In that chapter you will be getting 11 marks questions which I have been discussed in my previous class, and also we have been come across from various concepts like meaning of management, then difference between effectiveness and efficiency. Then after that we have been get the knowledge of features of management. Then last topic we have been covered objectives of management. These all topics I hope so all of you have been understood. In today's class we are going for the next topic, that is importance of management. Yes, obviously management is a universal where the whole world, whatever the companies are there, which type of companies are there, either small company, medium company or large company, schools, colleges, banks, offices, airports, railway systems, wherever you go you will be finding the management. Without management nothing is there. So there are some importance of management which we are going to cover for today's class. There are five important managements are there. First one, management helps in achieving group goals. Obviously, management means it helps to achieve the group goals. Yes, obviously, in the organization there will be many employees. They will come together and the management and the company will give a common direction to them to achieve the goals of the organization, which means here individual is not achieving the goal, here the group is achieving the goal for the purpose of business, for the purpose of organization to achieve its goals in effective manner and efficiency manner. That is the first point, management helps in achieving group goals. Obviously management is always helps to achieve the group goals of the organization. Next, second point, management helps to increase efficiency. Management helps to increase efficiency, which means in the organization, the management helps to produce the quality products with a minimum cost of production, with minimum utilization of resources, and mainly the management will give importance for the more benefit to the organization, which means management helps to increase efficiency to the organization. Next, third point, management helps to create dynamic organizations. Yes, management always create new dynamic organization. Create dynamic is nothing but management is creating new informations, new knowledge, new skills in the organization. Without new knowledge, without new ideas, without new experience, the management cannot play in the organization. So management is giving an opportunity for the creating new and dynamic functions in the organization. Next, fourth point is management helps to achieving personal objectives. Management helps to achieve personal objectives. Yes, obviously management always in the favor of employees. Management always in the favor of who are working in the organization. Management always will help to the for the benefit of the organization. Management helps to achieving personal objectives, which means those who are managers are there, those are employees are there, supervisors are there, CEO is there, management is there. So overall management will help to the whole organization, which means it helps to the employees, which means it helps to the managers of the organization, which means it will achieve each and every individual objectives in the management. Next, fifth point, management helps in development of the society. Mainly, each and every organization will give concentration towards achieve the management goals, achieve the helping nature, which means management helps in development of the society. Management helps to the organization to produce the good quality products to the society with a minimum cost to the production, and also with a low price, with a good quality product to the society, and it also helps to the fulfill all needs and wants of the people who are living in our society. This is the last important. Management helps in development of the society. Always the management will try to develop the society by providing good quality products to the customers with a low price. That is the main point here. Management helps in development of the society. Here importance of management. There are 5 importance are there. Management will help. Management always helps to achieve the group goals of the organization. Next, management helps to increase efficiency, and management helps to create dynamic organizations. Next, management helps to achieving personal objectives of the employees. Management helps in development of the society, which means providing good quality products with a low price to the society. I hope all of you have been understood this point. In today's class, along with the importance of management, I am going to cover management is an art and science. Management, it is an art and science. It is very important concept where you will get the 8 marks question for the section D. It is very important whether management is an art or science. Management is a both. Yes, obviously, yes, I am right. Management is a art as well as management is a science. Where management is, in today's class, I am going to discuss on management is an art. Yes, management is an art means management is a practical applications of existing knowledge. That is called management is an art. Once again I repeat, management is an art. Yes, management is an art. It is a practical applications of existing knowledge is called management is an art. Management always go through with the help of arts only. How management is an art? By these points, I can prove that management is an art. Here, there are 5 points which help us to know how the management is an art. Yes, management is an art by these points. First point is practical knowledge, personal skills, creativity, perfection to practice, goal oriented. These are the 5 points which clearly explain as management is an art. First point, practical knowledge. Practical knowledge. Yes, everyone will go through with theory, but they will be not having the practical knowledge. So that is the reason management is an art. Those who have theoretical knowledge, they will be having the practical knowledge once they will be entering into the organization. If they have theoretical knowledge in the mind, automatically the theoretical knowledge convert into practical knowledge in the organization. Next, second point, personal skills. Each and every employee having their own talents, having their new ideas, having their own knowledge to implement in the job. Personal skill is nothing but there will be a particular task in the organization. To achieve that task, each and every employee have their own ideas to achieve the organization. Management always gives an opportunity to each and every employees of the organization that whatever the skills they have, they should implement in the organization to achieve the goals of the organization in effective manner and efficiency manner. Next, third point, creativity. Creativity is nothing but new concept, new skills. Creativity is nothing but new ideas, which means creativity always helps to bring the changes in the business organization. Yes, obviously the creativity always brings the new changes in the business organization. It helps to fulfill the needs and wants of the society. Creativity always tries to bring new ideas, new concepts, new products, new technology, new updates, new areas, new standards of living, new things will be bringing the organization, which main aim is to bring the and achieve the societal things. Next, Perfection of practice. Obviously, practice makes man perfect. Have you heard this word? Yes, I hope so. You have been heard this word. Practice makes man's perfect. Without practice, nothing will be there. So, who are the employees who are working in the organization? They will be under practice. They will be learning new ideas. They will be learning new job. They will be learning new tasks in the organization, which brings them perfection to practice. If it's nothing but practice makes man's perfect. New daily practices makes an idea, makes a good talent, makes a new knowledgeable employee in the organization. Next, last point, goal oriented process. Always the management is an art which tries to achieve the goals of the organization, which tries to achieve the goals of the employees, which tries to fulfill the needs and wants of the society. Goal oriented management is an art which achieve the goal oriented process in the organization. This is a management is an art of the product of the process. In my next class, I am going to cover management is an science. Yes, management is an art as well as management as a science. In today's class, I have been covered management is an art. Once again I repeat, yes, management is an art. It is a practical applications of existing knowledge, where these 5 points covers the management is an art: practical knowledge, personal skills, creativity, perfection to practice, goal oriented. These are the 5 points clearly explaining that yes, management is an art. In my next class, I will be explaining management as a science. I hope so. Today's topic is covered. Today's topic you have been understood. Thank you so much.